Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Graph the equation y equals 2/5 x minus 4 by first plotting the y-intercept, then using the slope to find at least 2 more points. Verify that all points satisfy the equation. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The equation is already in slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. Matching it up, we can see the slope m equals 2/5 and the y-intercept intercept b equals -4. Start by plotting the y-intercept. Plug in x equals 0 and you get y equals -4. So the first point is 0, -4. Plot that on the y-axis. The slope 2/5 tells us to rise 2 and run 5. Starting from the y-intercept at 0, -4, move right 5 units and up 2 units. That lands us at the point 5, -2. Apply the slope one more time from the second point. Move right 5 and up 2 again. We land at 10, 0. Notice this is where the line crosses the x-axis, so it is also the x-intercept. Let's verify all 3 points by plugging them into the equation. At x equals 0, we get -4, check. At x equals 5, 2/5 times 5 is 2, minus 4 gives -2, check. At x equals 10, 2/5 times 10 is 4, minus 4 gives 0, check. All 3 points work. Here is the completed graph. The line starts at the y-intercept 0, -4, rises gently through 5, -2, and crosses the x-axis at 10, 0. The positive slope confirms the line goes upward from left to right. To summarize, we identified the y-intercept as 0, -4, and the slope as 2/5. We used rise over run to find 2 more points, 5, -2 and 10, 0. We drew a straight line through all 3 and confirmed every point satisfies the original equation. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.